Well, here's knife number 50, the Damascus San Mia. Got it finished up. It turned out pretty decent anyway. It's 129 layers, 64 layers on each side of a piece of 1075. And the handle, I think it's a piece of cherry or walnut. I can't remember which one it was. I put the burn marks in it. And the sheath I made, nothing fancy. I put some barbed wire stamps on it. But there it is. All I gotta do is put the snap on there. I'll probably do it tomorrow, but there it is. If you're interested, give my Facebook page a like or follow, Shade Tree Forging. It'll be on there.